Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is going to be a mini for cat food and litter for Miss Lisa Myers. It's 3 spots at $3 a spot. Spot 1 gets 9 on the main. We're going to copy our list. We're going to go live. It's 6:32. 6:32. We're going to post our list. Got 3 items on our list. We're going to roll the dice. We need a 4 or higher on the dice. We're going to roll the dice. It's 6:33. We're going to roll the dice. Got a 7. 6:33 7 times. That's 1. Still 3 items in our list. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After the 6th time, there's still 3 items in our list. We got Miss Dale on top, Miss Stephanie Holland on the bottom. Dice calls for a 7. 6:33 final time. Good luck, everybody. After the 7th time, there's still 3 items in our list. Spot 1, Miss Sybil Sprouts. You're the winner. Congratulations, Miss Sybil Sprouts. We are done. At 6:33. This will roll over 6:34. 6:34.